Welcome to another episode of the Religion Law Podcast, where you learn about religious freedom and other religion law-related topics through a short question and answer format. I'm your host, Michael Fielding. Let's see how you do on today's quiz. Welcome to Religion Law Quiz number 84, numero 84. Today's quiz is short. Let's dive into it. Neither Ronnie nor Janet are attorneys, but they are keenly interested about federal law regarding religion. Where can Ronnie or Janet go on the internet if they want to find quick, helpful resources about federal religion law? What would you say to that? What would you tell Ronnie and Janet, who are just hypothetical people that I've made up for purposes of this quiz? Well, the answer is one very good place to start is the Department of Justice's publications page, and I will put the link in the show notes, and it has several helpful publications on various matters involving religion law. And I'll give you the names of the titles of these publications. You have the Attorney General's Memorandum on Federal Law Protections on Religious Liberty, for religious liberty. You have a implementation memo for Attorney General's Memorandum on Federal Law Protections for Religious Liberty. You have guidelines on religious exercise and religious expression in the federal workplace. You have Combating Religious Discrimination Today, final report. And then there is also a September 2020 report, which was the report on the 20th anniversary of the Religious Land Use and Institutionalized Persons Act. And again, I will have these links in the show notes. But when I last looked at these publications, I thought, frankly, that they were pretty helpful, that they gave a quick summary, good high-level overview of the current state of the law, at least as of the date that these various memoranda were written. And if you are wanting to study it, I think it's a good resource to use. If you're wanting to give a quick primer to somebody else, obviously you can gain one of these resources and then share it with somebody else, and then they can get up to speed. Again, this is being published by the United States Department of Justice. All right, that does it for today's quiz. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Remember, religion law quizzes are for educational purposes only and are not intended to be relied upon as legal advice. If you have found this episode to be helpful, please share it and leave a review. Until we meet again, keep being an influence for good.